So today is one of my favorite sessions because today we'll be doing goal setting. And goal setting is one thing which I love teaching as well as love doing. So today you will also be setting goals and I'll also be setting goals with all of you. Because goal setting is something which has completely transformed my own life also. A lot of people learn goal setting as a theoretical concept. They think it's a theory. ओके गोल सेटिंग हमें पता है आकाश, हमें पता है गोल्स को सेट करना होता है, हमें अपने ड्रीम्स को लिखना होता है, गोल्स को लिखना होता है, टाइमलाइन डालना होता है, वी हैव टू टेक सम एक्शंस. हाँ, आई नो दैट, आई हैव डन इन द पास्ट आल्सो आकाश, दैट इज समथिंग आई नो. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू एनीथिंग न्यू, डेफिनेटली. बट लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग. Any person who has grown from zero to whatever levels they have, one of the core skills that they had is setting goals and smashing those goals. And the journey of a 1,000 miles begins with a goal in your mind on a piece of paper. Even people who are, old school. I'm not talking about today's time, millennials, Gen Zs, and all those people. No, no, no. उनसे भी पहले old school people. I know people who are 75 years old. They have a net worth of 500 crores upwards. They said to me that Akash, when I was a young boy, 21-year-old, मैंने goal लिखा था that in this road I wanted a bungalow. I want a bungalow for myself on this road. And they bought it. They wrote it first, then they bought it. So, writing your goal, setting your goal is something which has immense power. And previously, I took a session also, some of you would have attended, in which I said everything is written. A lot of people say, na, everything is written by God. How many of you have heard this? Everything is written. Suna aapne? Everything is written by God. Now, a lot of people say to us, everything is written, then why do we have to take action? Let me tell you, everything is written is misinterpreted. People think that Almighty has written linearly. कि उन्होंने एक लीनियर स्क्रिप्ट बना के रखी हुई है कि आलोक स्क्रिप्ट इज दिस, आकाश स्क्रिप्ट इज दिस, शोभा स्क्रिप्ट इज दिस, तन्वी स्क्रिप्ट इज दिस इज वन स्क्रिप्ट फॉर एवरीवन's life, different script. The answer is no. Every person has infinite scripts written for them. You know what? Infinite scripts है हम सबकी. Millions and billions of scripts have been written for every individual. Every moment, through our thoughts, through our actions, through the directions that we are walking, watching, thinking, we are choosing our script. Which script will work for us? So written सब कुछ है already, but which one we will select out of all the written scripts is onto us also. So how many of you are ready to make the next 6 months of 2026 very productive and very useful for their life? कितने लोग ready है? Yes, because I am super ready for it. I am going to make it super productive for myself. I hope you also do the same for yourself. So, all of you, open your notebooks and write down my 3 goals in the next 6 months. My 3 goals in the next 6 months. And write down the date of today, 29th of June to 31st of December 2026. 29th of June we are setting the goal. Up till 31st of December 2026, 3 goals set करेंगे हम. Now, I'll give you some categories in which you can set goals. Okay. One can be money/earning goal. All of you write it down. One category, money/earning goal. For example, someone can say, oh, I want to earn 25 lakh rupees in the next 6 months. अच्छा goal है. If someone is at zero, they can say, oh, I want to earn 5 lakh rupees in the next 6 months. Very good. Someone may say, I want to earn 1 crore rupees in the next 6 months. Someone who is at a very lower level today, they are just starting off, they can say, I want to earn 2 lakh rupees in the next 6 months. Okay? So that can be a money/earning goal. Second can be an asset goal. I'm giving you options. इसमें सब में 3 goal set नहीं करने. You don't have to set 3 goals in every category. No. I'm giving you options so that your mind starts functioning in that. Asset goal. Now, what is the meaning of asset goal? For example, someone may say, okay, in the next 6 months, Akash, I want to purchase a house, 3 BHK house. Goal है ना भाई? It's a goal. Yes or no? It's a goal. Someone says, Oh, Akash, in the next 6 months, I want my corpus of mutual fund to become 25 lakh rupees. Goal hai. Maybe today their corpus is 15 lakhs. They want to add 10 lakhs more. Okay? So that can be an asset goal. All right. Now, some people say that, sir, I want to buy iPhone 17 Pro Max. वो एसेट नहीं है वैसे मतलब इट्स अ एक्सपेंडिचर गोल वी विल नॉट काउंट इट एज एसेट बिकॉज इफ यू विल बाय दैट फोन फॉर से 1.5 लाख रुपीज टुडे आफ्टर 6 मंथ्स उसकी वैल्यू 80,000 हो जाएगी प्रॉबेबली मे बी लेस देन दैट तो एसेट एप्रिशिएट्स नॉट डेप्रिशिएट्स राइट तो दैट विल नॉट बी एन एसेट गोल ठीक है थर्ड थिंग कैन बी फिटनेस गोल हेल्थ गोल सर आई वॉन्ट टू लूज 10 kgs ऑफ वेट जस्ट इमेजिन सर अगर 10 kgs लूज हो गया सर मेरा फेस कट इमेजिन करो क्या फेस कट आएगा सर माई जॉ लाइन विल बी विजिबल सर होता है ना लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर इंटरेस्टेड इन दैट हाँ सर इमेजिन आई वॉन्ट टू रन अ हाफ मैराथन आई वॉन्ट टू रन अ मैराथन I want to go for, I do mountain climbing. I want to go to Everest base camp. मतलब दिसंबर में नहीं जा पाओगे वैसे बट वॉट एवर इट इज ठीक है सो यू कैन हैव फिटनेस स्लैश हेल्थ गोल्स वन ऑफ द कैटेगरीज वन कैन बी entertainment and enjoyment goals for example someone says my goal is I want to travel outside India I want to take my family to Dubai I want to take my family to Europe I want to take my family to Goa और probably उसमें आप लिख सकते हैं आई वॉन्ट टू बाय आईफोन दैट इज एंटरटेनमेंट गोल फन गोल फॉर यू लग्जरी गोल फॉर यू there you can write I want to buy this watch I want to buy this whatever it is whatever thing you want to enjoy or buy or do or experience some people can write oh on my marriage anniversary I want to go to this 5-star hotel for dinner. Someone can write, "Oh, my son's 10th birthday is coming. My daughter's 10th birthday is coming. I want to celebrate it in this place." That can be a that kind of a goal. Got it? Now the next category can be relationship goal. लिख सकते हो आप. Hmm? Sir, I want to get married in 6 months. Again, just kidding. Just kidding. Joke tha. Right? So for the people who are not married or who want to get married again, they can write that goal. ठीक है पर रिलेशनशिप गोल में प्लीज उल्टी सीधी चीजें मत रखना ठीक है गुड थिंग्स ओनली हाँ आई एम नॉट टीचिंग बैड थिंग्स ओके गुड थिंग्स ओनली यस ऑल राइट all only good things okay so relationship goals with your spouse with your parents with your neighbors right you I want to make a lot of friends probably your friend circle is small you want to expand your friend circle okay yes next is your career slash business goal sir I want to change my job I want to start my job someone is not working they want to start a job someone wants to change their job someone wants to become a professional someone wants to start a business someone wants to become a coach healer trainer so write you can write your business goal there your career goal there ठीक है I want to publish my book that can also be part of that okay everyone got the categories सबको categories मिल गई yes can anyone just write down all the categories in the chat box in one line in one line मतलब एक एक करके मत लिखना वो सारा फैल जाएगा otherwise in one line write down all the categories my friends if you can write categories in the chat box in one line मनी एसेट फन एंटरटेनमेंट करियर बिजनेस हेल्थ रिलेशनशिप है ना ठीक है परफेक्ट perfect so for the people who have not written these are the categories okay now everyone giving you 2 minutes to decide. It's not a perfect activity I want you to do. It's an imperfect activity. Giving you 2 minutes to decide. ठीक है 120 seconds. Because if you'll overthink about it, तो आप कभी पहुंच नहीं पाओगे वहां तक. You will not be able to reach it. Whatever your gut feeling says, whatever your ambition says, whatever you want to do it, you have the courage to do it in the next 6 months. I want you to set 3 goals under any of these categories. It can be one category, it can be multiple categories, but goals three होने चाहिए, not four, not two. 3 goals. ठीक है? Have faith on me. 3 goals that you want to smash in the next 6 months. Maybe some goals may be smashed in 3 months, maybe 6 months, maybe 5 months, but वो within 6 months आपको करना है. Write down 3 goals. Someone may say, I want to lose 15 kgs weight, 10 kgs weight. Okay, very good. Someone may say, I want to earn 20 lakh rupees. Someone may say, I want to publish 3 best-selling books or 1 best-selling book. Whatever it is, just write down your 3 goals that you are going to work upon also. ऐसे ऐसे कुछ नहीं लिखना, I want to buy a helicopter. हाँ पता चले you will not do anything in 6 months for that. Okay, write down what you will be achieving in the next 6 months. That you have the courage, you will be building yourself up, you will be working towards it. So it should not be an impossible goal which is completely impossible for you, but it should not be a lazy goal also. That suppose your salary is 1 lakh per month, तो 6 months की 6 lakh हो गई, and you write down I will earn 6 lakhs in the next 6 months, तो वो तो है ही, obvious है वो तो. 1 lakh into 6 is 6 lakhs. तो what is goal in that, right? So something which will give you a challenge also. You feel wow, मजा आ जाएगा यार, this will be awesome, and something which is possible in 6 months also. Okay, write down your 3 goals, my friends. The time starts now. It can be an asset goal also. Car can be an asset goal. लिख सकते हो यार. Entertainment goal है वो. Forget the categories, Praveen. Category में don't get disturbed. कार चाहिए तो कार लिखो. It doesn't matter. Asset है या फिर it's not an asset by the way, but ठीक है. It's a possession. Because the value depreciates. Now, asset, I feel what the value appreciates. Perfect, awesome. No, no, it can be you don't have to mention it. It's okay. People are mentioning, it's good, but it's not mandatory to mention. Not mandatory, Padmashri. You can do that, Alok. But I want you to smash 3 goals first, then think about the fourth one, man. तो 3 लिख लो यार. I want you to have that inner feeling that I want the fourth goal also. तो पहले 3 अचीव कर दोगे उस वजह से, and then you will achieve the fourth one. तो write 3, Alok, if possible. देखो, whatever goals you are writing, we have to work upon it also. Huh? I am also setting goals. I am going to work. Will it be challenging for me? The answer is absolutely. And that's the fun part of it. Okay? So write down your 3 goals, all of you. Last 1 minute left. Jaldi se kar lo. Don't think about perfectionism. Sir, ये perfect है, ये ठीक है, sir, ये ठीक है. Whatever your goal is, it's a personal goal. But whatever you're writing, you have to achieve also. Okay? Now comes the next part, which is according to your goal. Okay? According to your goal, all of you, there would be some strength in you also. कुछ strength भी तो होंगे आप में. How many of you are there who has got no strength, zero strength in life? उनके पास कोई strength नहीं है. Is there anyone who has got no strength in life? Everyone has their certain strength, na? Some people are like, my strength is that I'm a very good listener. Sir, I'm a very good learner. Sir, I can follow one direction properly. I can be consistent. I can execute. I can, sir, quickly learn fast and turn around it fast. Right? So you would have some strengths in life. So all of you, write down 3 strengths that I have for my current goals. It's okay. Try to find out. Try करो find करने का है आपके अंदर. I know you have it. Try to find out. You can't say no to it. You have to find out that that's your challenge and your task. है. Find your three strengths that you have. One strength can be, sir, my hunger. I am hungry for it. That is also a strength. क्या हंगर स्ट्रेंथ नहीं है? हंगर इज नॉट अ स्ट्रेंथ है, बिल्कुल. सर, आई एम अ डेडिकेटेड पर्सन. आई एम अ सिंसियर पर्सन. ये भी स्ट्रेंथ है. बहुत बड़ी स्ट्रेंथ है इन टूडेज टाइम. बीइंग अ डेडिकेटेड एंड फोकस्ड पर्सन, इट्स अ वेरी बिग स्ट्रेंथ. 99% people are not at all focused or dedicated, sincere in their work. Sir, I'm a good human being, and because I'm a good human being, then hence I deserve these goals even more. That's my strength. कुछ ना मिले तो good human being तो हो आप. Are you a good human being? Like some of you are, I think. Just kidding. Everyone is. Right? Write it down, all of you. Three strengths I have. और अगर strength नहीं मिल रही ना किसी को, तो भैया, you have to build your strength in the next 6 months. Is it clear to everyone? That's not allowed, that you don't have any strength up till now in life. ठीक है? So you have to find your strengths, build your strengths. Okay? Now, thing which is very easy for us. Okay? Three weaknesses that we have for these goals. Write down, all of you. Three weaknesses. अपनी तीन weaknesses लिखो. What are your three weaknesses for these goals, according to these goals? Sir, my one of the weaknesses, I'm not very confident in communication. Meko, I feel little shy in communicating, in making videos. That's my weakness. Sir, one weakness is I'm very shy in sales, in marketing myself, in putting myself out there. I feel people will think what am I saying? Kya kar rahi hu main? What am I doing? So, sir, my one of the weaknesses, putting myself out there, marketing myself, positioning myself. Huh. Being lazy is a weakness. Absolutely. Confusion is a weakness. Victimhood is a weakness. Procrastination is a weakness. Stress is a weakness. Fear is a weakness. But fear को भी लिख दो. Fear of what? Okay, fear is a very generic word. अच्छा, वीकनेस में सब लोग एकदम एक्टिव हो गए यार. स्ट्रेंथ्स में पीपल वर कंफ्यूज्ड. वीकनेस, सर. हाँ. I want 6 months में you say, sir, oh shit, I'm not able to find my weakness. What are my weakness? So strength, तो I can write a full paragraph on that. है ना? ये चाहिए 6 months में. What do you say, all of you? This should be our reality, na? That strength should outnumber the weaknesses. Huh? Hmm. Perfect. Awesome. Written, all of you? Three weaknesses. Now, all of you write down what I am going to master in next 6 months. What I will master in next 6 months. हम क्या मास्टर करेंगे नेक्स्ट 6 मंथ्स में? व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू मास्टर इन नेक्स्ट 6 मंथ्स? थ्री थिंग्स आई एम गोइंग टू मास्टर इन नेक्स्ट 6 मंथ्स. And they should be according to your goals. For example, suppose I am starting off, I want to become a coach. Okay. So, what am I going to master? I am going to master delivery of my coaching, right? Second thing I'm going to master is marketing and sales. Third thing I'm going to master is product development. That how do I develop courses, programs, mentorships? How do I develop? Second, how do I market it? How do I get people? Third, how do I deliver in an impactful manner? Right, video making skills, scripting, marketing, very good. Write it down, all of you. What are the three things you are going to master in the next 6 months for your goals? Three things you are going to master in the next 6 months for your goals, for your dreams. Done, everyone? Everyone has done it? Awesome. Very good. Now, everyone write down three things I'm going to change in next 6 months. Three things I'm going to change in next 6 months. क्या अपनी लाइफ से चेंज करना चाहते हो? तीन चीजें. For example, you want to change your body completely. You want to change your personality completely, right? You want to change how the way you speak currently, deliver currently. You want to change your complete money mindset, right? How you think about money, how you operate in money. You want to change your money mindset completely. You want to change your energy completely. Today, you are a very low energy person. You want to completely change your energy. You want to change your job profile completely. ठीक है, जॉब प्रोफाइल आप चेंज करना चाहते हो. Suppose today you are in IT, you want to come into management, you want to come into marketing. Three things you want to change completely. Awesome, very good. My responses to situation, my looks, and my earnings. Awesome. क्या चाहिए और लाइफ में? And now comes the best part. Okay. So much of work I have given you, right? Sir, three goals we have to achieve in next 6 months. है ना? So much of work. Then our strengths are less, our weaknesses are more. We have to, you know, change certain things from our life. We have to adopt certain things in our life. Why would we do so much of work? Yes or no? Why? क्यों करेंगे सर? Life is going on. Life तो चली रही है. We are eating food, we are drinking, we are sleeping, we are scrolling, we are earning. Whatever needs to be done, थोड़ा बहुत तो चल ही रहा है ना? Why would we do it? What's the whole point of doing it? My friends, tell me, is it worth doing so much? What you are writing in next 6 months? Give me one good reason why you would do it. Such batao why you would do it. Why you would do it? What's your core reason? Why? To uplift? Because it is worthy? Because I want to feel super happy? Because life will improve for better version of me? Purposeful life? Very good. I want to succeed. I am worth it to improve. Super feeling of achievement for self development. Enough of mediocrity. It's time to change. इसी में मजा आएगा. Adds joy because I can't wait anymore. To create history of family. Very good. इसमें फील से आया थोड़ा सा हिस्ट्री ऑफ फैमिली. टू मेक इट पर्पसफुल टू अचीव माई गोल्स. ओके, चलो मैं एक स्टोरी सुनाऊं. कैन आई टेल यू अ स्टोरी? सो I have told this before also to some people, but it's okay. I'll repeat it again. So, year 2017, 18, around 18. So, I was doing okay in my life. Matlab, as compared to previously, I was doing okay. But still, I was working only 10-15% of my potential. Okay? I wanted to write my book. But every day I used to plan. I never used to write my book. Okay. Sometimes I used to write the book. Sometimes I used to change the topic only. Matlab, I was not sincere for it. And my excuse was, I'm doing so much. I'm doing my job also. I was doing my part-time business also. Lot of things I was doing. तो ठीक है, क्यों करना है, कर लेंगे, right? And then 2017 में I got married. ठीक है, it's fine. That's also good. And then in 2018, November or something like that, I got to know that we were expecting. Okay. So when my parents got to know about it, they also became very happy because after almost like 28 years, 29 years, a child was coming in the family. I'm the only child of my family, so it's not like my parents would have seen some other siblings, grandson or granddaughter. They had never seen. It was their first time. And plus, one more thing was there with my parents. There is a comparison always in the mind, na? How many of you know? Normal hota hai comparison, hota hi hai. तो because I was born late to my family, तो मेरे पेरेंट्स के all the siblings or all the cousins that were there ना, they already were much ahead in family planning than my parents. So their children had children also. So my parents always used to feel, yeah, they are grandmother, grandfather, we never had. So when they got to know that they will also become grandparents, they became super happy. ठीक है. And I am kind of a person who is, अगर parents are happy and family is happy, तो मैं तो naturally happy हो ही जाता हूँ. I'm a happy go lucky person as it is. Okay. So I was very happy. My wife was also very happy. Everyone was happy. In-laws were also very happy. And when you are kids, I was kid myself at that time, 28, 29 years old. So you start planning ahead also. Okay, okay, wow, this isn't good. Now we will have a kid, all those things. But then suddenly what happened one day, my wife started feeling some pain in her stomach and all those things. We went to the hospital. She was admitted there. And 2, 3 days she was admitted there. And we got to know that miscarriage ho gaya. And I was like, what the hell? My wife was heartbroken. She couldn't stop crying. हाँ. पेरेंट्स तो और ज्यादा एकदम सैड हो गए. मॉम तो मतलब आपको क्या बताऊं. And then they started thinking about worst case scenarios because my mom had 4, 5, 6 miscarriages in her life. So she said, thought she started thinking कि the same patterns are repeating now. All the worst case scenarios happened. I was like, what the hell, God? कुछ भी गलत नहीं किया मैंने. Till date, I have never hurt any single person, not killed an ant in my life. What the hell? मतलब being a good person, doing everything, being a good son to parents, क्या कर सकते हो आप इससे ज्यादा? And still this thing happened? What the hell? मतलब sometimes you stop believing in God also, right? कि यार this is hides that it's not your fault. You are being a good husband, son, a person, citizens, everything आप अच्छा कर रहे हो and still this is happening to you. कोई reason ही नहीं मिल रहा. Mind is not able to find a reason. और then suddenly I thought, I was sitting very sad. Sad था मैं. It's natural, right? But then I thought कि यार, are you Akash really worthy of becoming a father? If tomorrow your son or your daughter comes, क्या तुम्हारे एक्शंस आज की डेट में ऐसे हैं? ठीक है, नेचुरली बायोलॉजिकली यू विल बिकम अ फादर. एवरीवन बिकम्स, इवन इफ दे आर ऑन द रोड दे बिकम अ फादर और मदर. दे कैन बिकम, इट्स ओके. वो तो तुम्हारी कोई अचीवमेंट नहीं है. बट व्हाट आर योर अचीवमेंट दैट योर सन टुमारो और योर डॉटर टुमारो विल कम एंड से वाओ, व्हाट अ फैमिली आई एम बोर्न इन. क्या क्या लकी हूं मैं. सो दैट डे आई डिसाइडेड कि नहीं भाई, now I need to do something. And now my child will come only when I'll complete my book, when I'll become an author, when I'll earn at least double of what I'm earning. तभी आएगा मेरा बच्चा. Otherwise मैं नहीं लाऊंगा बच्चे को. गॉड क्या नहीं देंगे, मैं नहीं लाऊंगा. I made it a goal in my life. So all the pain, all the problems, I turned it into my fuel. कि now I'm going to do it. Now, every time I wanted to procrastinate or wanted to keep it easy, again that pain of losing a child used to come to me. वो चीज मेरे को पकड़ लेती थी मेरे माइंड को कि you are repeating the same mistake again. And I used to have a small abuse for myself at that time. You're doing that, loser. You're having the same thing again. You can't. You shouldn't. Kar kuch. You have to do it. I used to do. I used to become sincere. By the grace of Almighty, October, November 2019 में आई पब्लिश माई बुक. आई बिकेम सुपर सिंसियर. मैंने बहुत मेहनत करी. तब तो कोई चैट जीपीटी बीपीटी भी कुछ नहीं होता था, खुद ही लिखना होता था. सो रोट माई बुक, लाइक मतलब एकदम बिल्कुल सिंसियरिटी से. एंड आई पब्लिश माई बुक. आई मेड माई इनकम डबल. वॉट एवर आई वॉज अर्निंग, बहुत मैंने मेहनत करी. आई मेड माई इनकम डबल बिकॉज माई वाई वॉज वेरी स्ट्रांग. माई वाई वॉज दैट आई विल ब्रिंग माई किड onto the planet only after this. When the kid will be worthy of coming to me. I'm not worthy today. I want to become worthy first in my earnings, in my actions, that the kid will say, मेरे पापा ऑथर हैं, मेरे पापा कुछ अच्छा कमाते हैं, my papa can, my family can take care of my dreams. In December, I got to know we are expecting again. Lockdown में in September, we got our first baby by the grace of Almighty. So, why would you take action for the next 6 months? Why would you push yourself? Why would you kill your weaknesses? Why would you build your strengths? You need to have a strong, compelling reason. Maximum people, I was reading your reasons because I want to fulfill my goal. It's not a reason. It will not wake you up at night. It will not wake you up in the morning. मन ही नहीं करेगा आपका. The reason has to have two traits in life. दो traits होने चाहिए. All of you write down two traits of a strong why. ठीक है. ये mandatory है. This is not something if you do it good, if you don't do it good. ठीक है. This is mandatory. Trait number one is it should be personal. वो आपकी पर्सनल होनी चाहिए. You should be personal about it. And it should be emotional. That you should get goosebumps thinking about it. आपको दुख होना चाहिए, दर्द होना चाहिए, आपको डर लगना चाहिए thinking about it कि oh shit, if I don't do this, this is wrong, this will happen. One lady wanted to lose weight. I said, why do you want to lose weight? She said, Akash, my reason is very personal. I said, why, what's your reason? Said, my mother was also overweight and she had diabetes. And Akash, after diabetes, she got kidney, she got kidney problems, and then she passed away. So, Akash, I have been diagnosed with borderline diabetes. I want to lose this bloody weight because Akash, my son is very young. I can't leave him. मैं नहीं कर सकती आकाश. I will lose weight for my son, for my health. How many of you are able to understand what I'm saying here? अब उसका रीजन इतना पर्सनल हो गया कि भैया मेरी फैमिली की हिस्ट्री है. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. आई वांट माय सन टू हैव मी फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. आई वांट माय चिल्ड्रन टू हैव मी फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. मेरे को चाहिए भाई. आई वांट टू बी हेल्दी. नाउ मन करेगा टू ईट हेल्दी फूड. Now when that burger you will bring to near to her na, she will not feel wow, this cheese, this sauce is going in my mouth, and this pakoda is going in my mouth. She'll say यार हटा ले यार इसको. Just nonsense यार. मेरे को हेल्दी रहना है यार. I want to be alive, I want to be happy. Enough of this nonsense. कभी कभी ठीक है, once in a month or twice in a month. Not every day this nonsense. Because this compelling reason is strong. That's the reason maximum people are not able to lose weight. One person came to me, said, Akash, I want to be rich. I said, why? कहता आकाश आईफोन खरीदूंगा, आईपैड खरीदूंगा. अरे ये कोई रीजन है रिच होने का? आईफोन खरीदूंगा. हाँ. Is this a reason to become? See, I'm not saying don't buy iPhone. I'm saying buy 10 iPhone. But buying an iPhone is not a very strong reason for being rich. The reason has to be personal and the reason has to be emotional. That gives you goosebumps. So, all of you, please do this favor upon yourself and on me and on your family on this planet, that giving you 3 minutes, write down your compelling reason in your notes. यहाँ पर share मत करना, because when you share your compelling reason, तो then it loses its power. Then you will say कि Akash, why did you share your compelling reason? I shared my previous compelling reason. अब तो change हो गया ना, तो अब वो नहीं है. तो वो मैंने पुराना वाला share करा था. When that was there, I didn't share that to anyone. So you should never share your compelling reasons to people, because the day you share it, it loses its power. You should always keep it private in your heart. अपने दिल में रखना चाहिए उसको. Till the time you have to, why your compelling reason for achieving these goals, that 6 months goals that you have written, what are your compelling reasons? One compelling reason, emotional, personal reason for achieving your goals. Make it personal, make it hurtful. थोड़ा सा, some people say don't take it personally, don't take everything personally. I totally agree. I also teach that. But some things have to be taken personally, my friends. Some things have to be taken personally because they act as a fuel for your growth. अगर लाइफ में कुछ पर्सनल लिया ही नहीं तो यार फिर वो बोल्डनेस भी नहीं आएगी ना. हाँ, बर्निंग फायर इज रिक्वायर्ड इन लाइफ यार समटाइम्स. वो वो दैट फायर इन हार्ट इज रिक्वायर्ड. Trait and compelling reasons are same. No, no, traits are the traits of compelling reasons. वो compelling reason का trait है दो जो बताए, पर्सनल एंड इमोशनल. आपको भी compelling reason लिखना है. Your reason. One lady wrote compelling reason. Her husband used to embarrass her. He used to love her, but whenever the topic of money used to come, he used to embarrass her a lot. So her compelling reason is that I will earn so much that I will earn for myself also, and I will give it to my husband, support my husband and everyone. And I will earn so much that I don't ever have to ask anyone for money. Strong, compelling reason hai for that lady. If you understand what I'm talking about. For the people who have faced that embarrassment. Imagine karo, that girl asked for 500 rupees. Husband said, क्यों चाहिए होते हैं तुम्हें पैसे? Value समझती हो पैसों की? Do you understand the value of money? पैसे चाहिए. How that would hurt, right? तो अब हर्ट में तो एक तो ये है कि दैट यू विल फाइट विद योर हस्बैंड, यू विल फाइट विद योर वाइफ और वॉट एवर, यू विल फाइट विद देम. बट उससे क्या होगा? वॉट विल चेंज इफ यू विल फाइट विद देम? यू विल शाउट ऑन देम, दे विल शाउट ऑन यू, दैट्स इट. You will say abusive to them, they will say abusive things to you, that's it. What benefit you will get? Now, instead of doing that, if you go into a productive direction ki okay, I'm not earning today na, okay, don't say that to him, don't say that to them. उनको नहीं जताना आपको. That fire has to be kept in your heart कि okay, today I'm not earning ना, okay, 6 months दे दो मुझे, give me 6 months, I'll show you, मतलब that I can earn. That becomes fuel, that becomes power, that becomes fire. ऑडियो नहीं आ रहा, एकता इज राइटिंग ऑडियो आ रहा है. इज माय ऑडियो कमिंग? ओके. If we keep such, don't we get worry when time passes? मतलब that means you are saying कि if we don't achieve our goals, uh, uh, should we will get worried if we are not able to achieve our goals. We will get worried, right? Okay. You should get worried, right? If you don't achieve your goal, you should be worried. Yes or no? Are goals joke in life that we will not achieve तो कोई बात नहीं. नहीं, it's not a joke भाई, it's life. Life and death depends upon goals भाई. Are you able to understand? तो इसको मजाक में नहीं लेना. You don't, we will get worried, it's part of life. हम्म. हाँ, होते हैं यार. Do you think I don't get worried in life? No worry in my, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. Yeah, I don't stress it out. But अगर we have to push ourselves, every peak performer in life, they have to push themselves, right? हाँ, one person is who is just worried, only worried, वो कोई फायदा नहीं. बट एक्शन एंड लिटिल बिट ऑफ वरी अबाउट योर गोल, पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ यार, वो तो होता ही है, हर पीक परफॉर्मर का होता है. वो तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर को भी वरी होनी चाहिए, प्रेसिडेंट को भी होनी चाहिए, सीईओ ऑफ द कंपनी को भी होनी चाहिए. तो दैट्स नेचुरल. ओके. हाँ, जस्ट वरीड इज नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प. ओके. Defined timeline is 31st of December 2026. That's the defined timeline. Okay. Now, everyone, how many of you are ready to achieve your goals? Tell me honestly. It's not going to be easy, probably. It's going to be challenging also. Is that fine with you if it's going to be challenging? Huh? If it's going to be challenging, is that fine with you? Sir, what if rejection comes? Is that going to be fine with you if some rejection comes? If some failure comes, is it going to be challenging? Hmm? Agar, if what, sir, what if I don't feel like doing it in the middle? If is that okay? If I don't feel like I have to push myself sometimes? Yes. Acha, tell me, if you have to use your willpower, can you use your willpower also? Sir, man nahi kar, I don't feel like it. Can you push yourself? Answer is yes. Because then you will become a person who can set and achieve bigger goals in 2027. हम वो भी करेंगे. वो हमारा ये 6 months एक लॉन्च पैड है सो दैट वी कैन गो बिगर इन 2027 एंड ऑनवर्ड्स. क्योंकि लाइफ इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट 6 months, उसके बियॉन्ड भी तो जाना है. बट दीज 6 months विल बी द स्टेपिंग स्टोन फॉर द फ्यूचर. So that you become bolder, you become faster, you become more fitter, agile, richer, confident, skilled in the next 6 months. ठीक है. मजा आएगा. एब्सोल्युटली आई लव इट. लाइफ में और है क्या यार. दिस डोपामीन ऑफ अचीवमेंट, हैप्पीनेस, जॉय, गिविंग टू पीपल, एंजॉयिंग, टेकिंग, रिसीविंग, गिविंग, यही तो है लाइफ में. बीइंग इन द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट, राइट. डोनेटिंग मनी, अर्निंग मनी, right? Being fit, being with your family, friends, loved ones, spreading happiness. What is beyond that? Nothing. Yeah, life is short. Okay, now everyone, let's do tapping for it. How many of you are ready for it? Let's do EFT for it. Okay, let's train our body, our mind for it. Okay, body also, mind also. So all of you sit straight. How many of you are feeling little bit of halka sa fear in life? How many of you are feeling little bit of self-doubt and fear? It's okay. You can be honest. Little bit of fear and self-doubt, maybe in your body, maybe in your breath, maybe in your thought, maybe in your, यार sir हो भी पाएगा, मतलब I'll do it, but little bit, हाँ हो ठीक है. I'm also feeling. Okay, let's do it, all of you. Karate chop. Even though today my goals may be bigger than me, the goals that I have set may feel today bigger than me, I still choose to love and accept myself. Even though when I'm thinking about the goal, I'm feeling a little uncertain, maybe a little doubt, maybe a little fear. That's okay, that's part of the game. I still choose to love and accept myself, even though these goals are super important for me, super precious for me, Akash. But what if I get demoralized in between? What if I forget these goals? What if my mind shifts somewhere else? These doubts come in my life sometimes, Akash. I still choose to love and accept myself. Eyebrow point, all of you. We'll be doing one round, a powerful composite round of EFT, okay? Eyebrow point. I've set my goals now. I've set my agenda for the next 6 months now. And I am going to achieve them. I'm going to make sure it happens. I will do it. Maybe there will be doubts in between. There will be fears in between. Maybe some negative thoughts may come. Maybe circumstances may not be in my favor. I accept that also in my life. Akash, I've paid such heavy price in my life. So many times I've set dreams, goals, New Year resolutions. Probably 2020 maybe set kiye honge, 2018 maybe I would have set. I've done it multiple times, Akash. Even if 2, 3, 5 times I would have been sincere na, my life would have been completely different, Akash. So this time, it is no joke for me. It is important for me. I'm crazily obsessed this time. And I'm going to build myself this time. It is not just about goals that I will achieve goals. Akash, this time it is about identity shifting also. It is about identity change. I'm going to step into that enhanced identity. I'm going to step into that empowered identity. I will step into that powerful personality now that I always wanted to become. आकाश मेरा ड्रीम है, इट्स माय ड्रीम, इट्स माय लाइफ्स एम नाउ. And it's not that I'm not going to smile. It's not that I'm not going to enjoy. It's not that I'm not going to spend time with my loved ones. I will do everything. I will do more of that, in fact. But at the same time, I'm not going to sacrifice my goals now. Because again, if I go into that cycle again, Akash, how many times will I break my heart? How many times I will break my own confidence? How many times I will break my own self-esteem? Enough is enough. It's done. It's the past now. I'm going to achieve it. It's not my overconfidence. It's my self belief now. It's who I am now. I'm going to do it. I accept there will be fear. I accept there will be doubt. I accept there may be challenges. Whatever will be there, I accept that as part of my journey with a smile on my face. And I'm going to enjoy that part of the journey also. And one more thing, these 6 months will not be a tension for me, a worry for me, a source of anxiety, stress for me. No. Yes, little bit of push I will have to in my life. That is required for growth. But I'm going to enjoy this journey with a smile on my face. When challenges will come, I will know that I'm going in the right direction. When I will feel lost, I know that I can navigate through. When I will hit a wall, I know it's okay. It's just a psychological block. I know it now, Akash. I'm going to achieve it. I'm sincere for it. I love it. I love it. I can feel it in my body. I can feel it in my breath. I know it is written for me. Everything is written for me. This scenario is also written for me, Akash. If it wouldn't have been written for me, I wouldn't be doing it right now. I wouldn't be imagining my goals right now. I'm going to achieve them. And I completely love and I accept myself even more now. Wonderful, all of you. Relax. Relax, everyone. Take a deep breath and exhale it from your mouth. Open your eyes. How do you feel, all of you? How many of you can see your dreams, your goals of 31st of December? दिख रहा है आपको? विजुअलाइज हो रहा है? यस. दिस रिकॉर्डिंग विल बी देयर विद यू. आप 10 मिनट्स की ये टैपिंग भी कर सकते हो इफ यू एवर फील ओ फियर आ रहा है सर, लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस आ रहा है सर, आई एम हिटिंग अ वॉल, क्लैरिटी नहीं मिल रही. इट्स ओके, दैट्स फाइन, यू कैन डू दिस टैपिंग. You will realize that we already told you there will be fear. If fear is coming, then you are in the right direction. You should be more afraid when fear is not there. कि साला fear क्यों नहीं आ रहा मेरे को? Fear should come, right? Is it clear to everyone? Perfect, awesome. So clap for yourself, all of you. Awesome. So let's meet next Monday for our next session. Okay? Take care, all of you. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye.